What's up guys, and welcome back to B for Crypto. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum because we saw this major dump towards the downside. But guys, I found something in the charts that is quite bullish for Bitcoin, and that is a bullish pattern, and also for Ethereum we could expect some higher prices. So guys, if you like this content, smash up the like button and subscribe, and now let's directly start with this content. And guys, before we're going to go directly into the charts, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and smashing up the like button. I know I haven't been online for quite a while, but I've moved back home and I finally reached my final destination. So guys, let's directly get into the charts to really find out what is happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And guys, you can see that we had this dump all the way towards the downside, and now we nearly reached our previous high from 2019. So guys, are we going to see that we are going to break this level and even reach our previous lows all the way down at the level of $17,500, or are we going to see a recovery from these regions and see a bounce back into this range? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. So guys, first we're going to start on the 4-hour chart. So guys, first of all, we're going to draw a trend line all the way from the top all the way down to these levels. And let me first change my color here to white, so that we can see it a little bit better. And guys, yes, we are forming a falling wedge, and a falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and most of the time a falling wedge breaks out towards the upside. So guys, you can clearly see that we are forming this falling wedge, and if we're going to break out towards the upside, we could expect a price target all the way at the top of the wedge, being 25,000 US dollars. So guys, this is the bullish target for Bitcoin if we're going to see the breakout from these levels, and we are going to break out from this downward sloping trend. So guys, what could we expect? First of all, we must see that we are closing a 4-hour candle over this trend line, and maybe then we could see this confirmation of the breakout, retesting these areas of this trend line until we are going to see a strong move towards the upside. So then we could see the levels of 22,220 US dollars, where we also have this trend line from this range that we consolidated in for quite a while. So guys, you can also see that we are getting a lot of resistance in these areas, and that was also the point where we saw this breakout towards the downside. But guys, we really have to keep an eye on the 4-hour candles if we're going to see this breakout and a close with a 4-hour candle over this trend line. But guys, we also have to keep an eye on the bearish scenario, and that would be if we're going to see a strong rejection in these areas and we are going to break these levels. Then we could expect that we are going to come all the way down to the previous lows, and that will be round about the 17,600 US dollar level if we're going to break through this trend line. But guys, I could also imagine that we are going to see a high volatility, and also we're going to look at Ethereum because guys, we have a fundamental strong event coming up, and that is the Ethereum merge happening on the 15th of September. And that could bring the price of Ethereum even higher. And guys, we could also see that the whole crypto market is getting a positive movement through this Ethereum merge. So guys, let's go over to the charts of Ethereum to find out where Ethereum is at the moment. So guys, on the charts of Ethereum, you can see that last time in my previous video, I told you that we most probably going to break out from this rising wedge, and exactly that happened. We reached our price target from this rising wedge. And the rising wedge, the price target, is always the top or the bottom of the wedge, being exactly here the levels of 1,400 US dollar for Ethereum. And at the moment we are seeing a strong bounce in these areas of this trend line. So guys, I could expect that we are going to come all the way up to the level of 2,100 US dollars for Ethereum before we are going to see this merge. But guys, maybe we are going to see the sell the news event, and we could expect a small rejection to these areas for Ethereum. But guys, the Ethereum merge is going to be a strong fundamental event. So guys, Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake, and that is quite bullish. So guys, I really do expect that we are going to see a massive pump for Ethereum. But guys, let's go on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum to find out what the chart is telling us at the moment. And guys, the same scenario as for Bitcoin. At the moment we are forming this falling wedge, and the falling wedge as for Bitcoin is a bullish formation, guys, and we could expect that we are going to reach levels Let me just draw this trend line in so you can see it properly. So guys, this is our falling wedge and we have consolidated in this falling wedge, and for Ethereum you can already see that we are trying to break out from these levels. So guys, I could expect, if we're going to see a pump from these levels, that we are going to see our first resistance point all the way at $1,700 for Ethereum, until we're going to see a consolidation and a move towards the upside, or we are going to come down and retest this falling wedge until we're going to see a massive pump towards the upside. And guys, I really do believe that we are going to reach the $2,000 level for Ethereum before the merge. So guys, if you want to find out more, smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel, where I bring you daily content about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also educational videos how to get involved in the crypto market. So guys, we see each other in the next video. You have to be for crypto.